Atoll is an observation class ROV with autonomous docking capabilities designed to deploy and recover loads from a light offshore vessel to the seabed. The prototype here can load up to 1 ton and will soon be integrated on a 2,000 metre certified launch and recovery system. After 2 years of R&D, Forssea is working with Ixblue to offer a revolutionary method of LBL deployment and calibration using Atoll, DriX and Gaps. Gaps is a pre-calibrated INS and USBL acoustic system. Loaded with Gaps, DriX will support Atoll's positioning and provide an on-site solution for calibration with its field-proven box-in capabilities. Ixblue's Canopus transponder brings new flexibilities to address real-time operational constraints. This method reduces the need for heavy equipment by using Atoll's small size and lift capacity, combined with DriX's great endurance, outstanding seakeeping performances, and own launch and recovery system.
From an operational point of view, using Ixblue DriX technologies combined with Atoll from Forssea is offering companies big cost-saving opportunities. For instance, in the case of an LBL deployment, you could use a PSV instead of using an LCV, which makes a big difference.